Alright guys, on this fender again. Now I did so much work hammering on this thing, getting this thing, trying to get this thing right. If you remember, I already did the bottom there. So now, you can tell it's the dentation right there. But, so now, I want to put these front caps on, and I want to make sure all of this is gonna line up, guys. So I'm gonna loosen this up, and this got to come back some. Well, in fact, inside the fender, by it having that slight crease in here. This the inside of the fender gotta be hammered out this way to fill this in. I'm gonna tighten it down, see how far it tightened down, and just trying to see, well, will this tighten down in here? This probably needs to be even with this. So I'm just working on this fender now, guys, trying to get this fender all together. So I'm kind of looking at this, and this looks all bent up here. So let me tighten this down. So I still got a gap in here. So I'm gonna loosen this back up. And I'm looking, it look like this all need to be, in fact, this is cracked right here, guys. So I'm gonna have to hammer this out, weld this where this crack is right here. I mean, you probably, a lot of guys, you might not would weld it up, but it's just a small crack, and I'll drill a hole to make sure it don't continue cracking. But I am gonna weld this up. So, alright, so I just wanna straighten this out. Let me set this cap on here again. Alright, so now I see all of this needs to be Oh, wow. Alright, so this needs to be hammered in here. Alright, so when I put this on here, alright, so everything's lining up. But right in here, alright, so I'm gonna hammer right on this outside lip. Alright guys, so this is pretty close there, but I got a lot more hammering and dollying to do. This I actually move over this way some, up this way some. We gotta loosen this up and move it over. But it's pretty close, so I gotta finish work, man. Remember, this thing was, those small little hits, man, on these old cars do a lot of damage. That's all I can say. All right, guys. So I got this pretty much right there. I'm just looking, this little inside corner here could be hammered and rounded, then this will flush right up. Then I just got to come in and put a skim coat of mud over this area to get this to flatten out. But after hammering and everything, this is finally, that's flush on there, guys. You just got to work with this metal. All of this looks good in here. I mean, there's a slight little gap there. This is not really, I don't really have this adjusted. I just wanted to make sure this was flush. But when I come in and mud, I actually wanted this a little lower. I'm gonna put a piece of tape across here and I'm gonna come across and mud this whole thing up so I can block and sand this out, guys, and get this fender ready for prime.